So recently I've been getting a lot of calls from unknown numbers or people with unknown caller IDs. So today I'm going to show you guys how to block unknown calls on iPhone or how to block people with no caller ID when they're calling you. First, you're going to want to go under settings. So we'll click on settings. You're going to scroll all the way down until you see phone. So you can see under voice memos, you see phone. So we're going to click on that. And now you're just going to scroll down and you see at the bottom here, silence unknown callers. So as you can see, I have that ticked on. What this is going to do is calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. So basically anyone in your contacts or you've been in contact with recently, those calls will not be silenced. However, people that are choosing to block their caller ID or unknown numbers, it'll send them immediately to voicemail, which has been great for me because I get a lot of calls from telemarketers. So I no longer get those calls. Instead, I see, oh, I have a missed call and potentially a voicemail. That's just a robot talking to me. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.